Hey there! Do you want to help customers choose product variants by displaying different images? With image swatches, you can easily do it on your Shopify store. Let's see how. First, log into your Shopify admin panel and open the EasyFlow app. From the EasyFlow dashboard, tap the options to preview the existing option. After that, if you want to create an option, just click the Create Option button. Next, from the pop-up, choose Image Swatch. From here, enter the option name and add your product just like the video. Now, enter the value title and check the default box if you want to make it the default variant. Then, click Additional Settings to add some value descriptions and input your description. You can also check the box beside it to enlarge an image on hover. Similarly, click Add Value to add another option value. Use additional settings as necessary. Once done, continue adding more option values and customize them according to your preferences. For tutorial purposes, here we have added 4 different image swatch options. You can also set an add-on price for an individual variant. On the right side, in the Preview section, you can see the added image swatches under your option set. Then, in the Input settings, tick the Required box. If you select this, customers must choose from one of these variant options to make a purchase. On the bottom right, under Additional Settings, you can enter your preferred in-cart name and option nickname. You can also add some descriptions to make it easier for customers to choose an option. Once done with all the configurations, tap the Save button. Now you can see your created option with the added image swatch values in the EasyFlow dashboard. Next, open the set to where you want to add this image swatch options. From the Options section, tap the Add Exiting button. From the pop-up, select the option you recently created for the image swatch and tap the Add Options button. Once done, you need to apply these options to products. Under Add to Products, you can add automatically or choose manually. Search for your product with names and select as many as necessary. Finally, tap the Save button. Now, browse the product page on the storefront to see the image swatches. The default variant is selected automatically and you can choose others. That's it. You have successfully added image swatches options for your product variants in Shopify with EasyFlow. Did you find this tutorial helpful? Like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more guides like this.